I now have that out. It's nice and free, as you can see. I got it greased up. And now I'm going to reconnect it. So, the reason for my video is really this silly welder. I actually bought it a year ago or so. It might even have been for Temu. I don't know if I'm embarrassed to even say that, but I was so enamored by it that I gotta see. So 120 amps supposedly. It's a 110, so it should work on my same plug. I got a big 20 amp yellow cable over there. So I'm gonna tell you if this actually works or not. So I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna open this, and then you'll be able to see live if it works or not.